With 12 years of experience, the Estonian company Klijuotos has quickly emerged as the leading local glulam manufacturer. In 2012, we chose our new trademark, Arcwood by Klijuotos, symbolizing flexibility and efficiency. Our products, from finger-jointed construction timber to large-span glulam beams, always start with quality raw materials. We mainly use spruce, as well as some pine and larch wood. 30,000 cubic meters of raw material passes through our factory each year. Arcwood is FSC Chain of Custody certified. 3/4 of the timber used is bought straight from local sawmills and dried at our factory. In this way, it's possible to keep a large amount of raw material in stock and sell our product at a competitive price. The correct moisture content of the raw material is key in achieving the strength and durability of the glulam product. 4 wood dryers give us flexibility at drying different cross-sections. The dried timber is kept in short-term on-site storage or forwarded directly to manufacturing. The material first passes through a moisture check. Each board is tested and its moisture content recorded in the computer. Timber with the incorrect moisture content or dimensions is discarded from the production line automatically. After this, the operator performs a visual quality control. He marks large knots and other defects, which are then automatically removed by a saw, which has sensors that detect the markings made by the operator. From here, the boards move to the finger jointing line, where a toothed profile is cut into both ends of the board. Now the polyurethane glue is sprayed onto the ends by nozzles. Boards of varying lengths are pressed together. The glue reacts to the moisture in the timber, and a joint with the required strength is formed. We can make lamellas with a maximum length of 30 meters. The lamellas move on to the 4-sided planer, where the product-specific planing and chamfering is carried out. For finger-jointed structural timber, all 4 sides are planed and the edges are chamfered. The finished boards are transported on rollers to the packaging area, where they are wrapped in plastic and stored for scheduled transport. When producing lamellas for glulam, only 2 sides are planed, and the melamine formaldehyde glue is applied immediately after the planer. The resin and hardener are applied separately and automatically to guarantee the exact amount per square millimeter. The melamine formaldehyde leaves a light glue line. The glulam lamellas are taken from the rollers into a press, where they are pressed for 1 to 3 hours. The time depends on the ratio between the resin and the hardener. 3 separate presses are used: a horizontal press bed, a vertical press, and a press for curved beams that is assembled as required on a separate part of the production floor. After the pieces are lifted out of the press, they move on to final planing. Our planer, the Rex Big Master, is unique in the Baltics with a maximum planing width of 2,300 millimeters. Planing of uniquely shaped and curved beams is also possible. Next, the glulam pieces move on to the CNC machine, where all the necessary cuts, holes, and grooves are made using an array of tools. With our Uniteam Ultra, we can machine both small and very large pieces. The machine delivers a high level of accuracy that can't be achieved by hand. Now the production line continues with the finishing work, depending on the required surface quality of the finished product. Large knots, resin slots, and defects that are not allowed on a visible surface are repaired. The right surface coating is chosen based on the architectural application of the structure. Uncoated pieces are normally used by companies that produce wooden houses or by private clients. The most common surface coating is a water-based clear coat that gives a natural look to the glulam. A number of different toned paints and varnishes can be used depending on the architectural demands. Deep treated glulam can be used for moist conditions. Our product conforms to European regulations. We have been exporting finger-jointed timber to Germany for years. Glulam, bi, and trilam is being exported to France, Spain, and to our Baltic neighbors Latvia and Lithuania. About half of the finished product is used in the domestic market. Most of the glulam pieces are manufactured according to drawings and specifications provided by our clients, but the amount of glulam structures designed in-house is increasing. Our biggest project thus far is the Tondiraba ice rink in Tallinn. For this project, we designed, produced, and assembled 1,350 cubic meters of glulam roof structures, including Estonia's largest glulam trusses with a length of 62 meters. While building on our experience and ever-growing production possibilities, we feel confident taking on the challenges of the future. We are proud to carry on more than 35 years of glulam manufacturing traditions in Estonia and offer an efficient, high-quality product from renewable sources, ideally suited to the environmentally aware customer of the 21st century.